Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll be taking a look at the second in a four-part series on dry fire training at home. Reactive target training systems, including laser-based smartphone training apps and interactive multi-target training systems. As I said, this is the second in a four-part series on dry fire training at home. We began with the easiest and least expensive level, the laser training cartridge. Now we'll be taking a look at what I consider to be the second level of dry fire training solutions. There are two options at this level. A reactive target system that utilizes your cell phone to record and analyze your speed and accuracy. The second option is a multi-target training system that basically adds two or more interacting targets which react to a laser strike. There are quite a few laser-based smartphone training app systems available. I'm only going to cover a few of these as examples of what's out there today. It can be a bit confusing, but the basic idea is that you use your own firearm with a laser cartridge, your smartphone, and targets. These systems utilize a laser cartridge or an attachable device and software loaded on your smartphone to provide feedback on shooting performance. Popular laser cartridge systems include Strikeman, Laser Academy, iTarget, G-Sight, and Laser Hit. All of these cartridge laser systems are relatively affordable at around $100. You'll need the appropriate size cartridge for different caliber guns. Additional laser cartridges will run about $40 each. A system that utilizes a device that attaches to your firearm instead of a cartridge is the Mantis X System for about $100. An advantage is that the device can be attached to any firearm with a rail system. What's really great about these smartphone systems is obviously the data feedback they can provide. You get an analysis of your shooting performance and you can track your scores over time to assess your improvement. Plus, most have pretty good packages for adding more challenging targets and scenarios. The second dry fire training at home system in this category is the interactive target system. One example is the Laser Light Training Target Steel Time system for about $100, which includes reactive targets that show flashing lights and/or emits a steel target sound when hit. There are even target sets that include laser pistols, which could run as much as $500 for a two-pistol system. Another system provides the opportunity to add multiple targets that interact with each other for an alternating interactive training experience. A single target system from Laser Ammo, Interactive Multi-Target Training System, or i-MTTS system will run about $100, and a three-target system will cost about $200. The i-MTTS system will support up to 10 targets at a time. Think about that, the challenges and the possibilities. Pretty cool. However, you'll need an infrared laser cartridge like the Sure Strike for this system, which will cost an additional $100. So this training option at $300 total for a three-target system is more expensive, but it can provide for multiple targets that interact with each other. Big advantage of the multi-target system is the potential for multiple target placements and a variety of scenarios available. You don't get the high-level technical data feedback review of your shooting like you do with the smartphone systems, but the feedback from the target response may be reward enough. The biggest con for all these laser reactive target systems is the same as I mentioned for the laser cartridge itself, that if your gun is not in double single action, you must manually cock the hammer or rack the gun each time you want to take a shot. Also, since there's no recoil when you pull the trigger, the feel is just not the same as real fire. Another con for the cartridge-based units is the need for a separate cartridge for the different caliber firearms you might want to practice with, unless you like to go with the rail attached unit. A common complaint for the visible laser systems is that the red dot can cause you to concentrate too much on the dot and some of these systems don't work well in bright lighting. Beyond that, these systems seem to work pretty well. However, except for the i-MTTS multiple target system, you basically still only have one single stationary target. Also, with all of these target systems, you know where the target or targets are. There's a little surprise, as would likely occur in a real situation. One of the biggest advantages of the smartphone systems is the robust opportunity for analysis of your shooting performance. These systems utilize accuracy metric feedback to provide the shooter with information that can be used to improve speed and accuracy. Certainly the low cost of these training systems is another real advantage. They're also relatively easy to set up and use. And as of a reactive target system, their portability can be a real advantage. If you're interested in improving your shooting, it's hard to do better than one of these smartphone dry fire systems. However, one of the advantages of the i-MTTS multiple target system is the independent random active target alteration of targets. They're quick and easy to set up and use with flexible placements with a variety of targets and presentation programs to choose from. Also, the option to expand the system with additional targets is very appealing. Now, while the laser training cartridge may have been a real improvement over snap caps, I really wanted more dry fire feedback. At only $100, you'd think that the risk was low, so I would just have bought any one of these systems to try out. But it actually took me a while to make up my mind on a reactive target system. The thing was, I wanted something that was engaging to my family members as well. While I might be good with challenging myself with improved performance matrix feedback on my smartphone, I knew my family would be more interested in having fun. So for them, randomly alternating target scenarios seemed more appealing. Also, even though the cost was higher, I went with the i-MTTS 3-target system from Laser Ammo. I could set the targets up wherever I wanted in the house, and the system could replicate match stages to help train for competition shooting if I wanted. There are different hit indicator settings and 5 operation modes available: standalone, steel plate shooting, tactical training, chase the ball, shoot, no shoot, and double speed shoot, no shoot training modes. And I can also choose light and sound settings. There's also a system controller unit available that can provide even more control and analytical data feedback for this multi-target system if it's important to you. Now, this is where I usually ask you again to be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. As far as meeting my training needs, I think I've accomplished that. But given that this is a 4-part series, you can probably guess that I thought I could do even better than the reactive target systems. However, I've got to say that the interactive dry fire system are really worth investing in based upon the improvements I personally have experienced in my own performance. The added bonus of saving time and money compared to live fire training has pretty much paid for the i-MTTS dry fire system, even though it came at a little higher price. In addition to my family enjoying dry firing, I've personally shot more and more often, and I can see that I'm faster and more accurate since I acquired the i-MTTS system. So, what do I think about choosing the Laser Ammo interactive multi-target training system over the smartphone system? Well, I think it was a good choice for me, given my personal needs. But there's no doubt that all of these systems work pretty well for improving your shooting performance and saving you money in the long run. Dry fire training in general is a good idea. I encourage anything that can train for draw, stance, gripping, sighting, trigger pull, and control, target acquisition, magazine change, and securing the firearm. But if you add in interactive targets to that training, you can improve accuracy and the shooter's motivation considerably. And that's even better. And that's the focus of my next review. How about setting up an indoor range in your home with stationary and moving targets, alternating targets, go, no-go targets, as well as life-size formats that are both challenging and entertaining. You interested? Okay, as you might expect, there's a few more bucks involved, but the improvement in dry firing training experience may be worth it. Check it out in my next review. Until then, Any weapon you carry is better than one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.